Bike to Work Day, everybody!
What's up? You want more cowbell?
Here at SportRx, we do things differently, in our own very special way. No matter if you're a customer service wizard who makes the magic happen, a legendary optician who sees everything, a marketing ninja who chops anything you throw at them, a video Jedi who knows the ways of the content, an awesome intern who gets the impossible done, or just Tyler. A one-of-a-kind Tyler. We are all here for the greater goal, to make people see better. How did we build our success? Well, we added an extra C. The first C is our customer. We take this quite seriously. Care is the number one thing we have in mind when you call us about your glasses. You talk to a real person, totally not a robot. You will be asked about the sport you go for, the style you live your life, and we will make sure you get the perfect shades, with or without a prescription, for you to walk away toward the sun with a smile on your face. Then there is content. We create a lot of content, like a lot. You will find all your eyewear questions answered in the form of our videos, blog posts, Instagram pics, and more videos. If there is a question about eyewear, we promptly have an answer. We not only want you to see better, we want you to know better, so that you can make the right choice and walk away with the right frames for you. You already did that. And then there is culture. We are proud of our culture. We are proud of loving our work. No matter where you have been before or where you are today, you are now part of the big and growing SportRx family. This is where we were 2 years ago, and this is where we are now. See the difference? Oh, and there is, of course, the fun stuff. We love biking so much that we do a Bike to Work Day every year. And people sure do love our pit stop.
Yeah!
We shred the trails on a regular basis. We cut the waves even more often. We kick the plastic on San Diego beaches. We do Christmas parties that are hard to top. We catch the home runs, or just some good times at the games. We also have this startup-y Nerf thing going on. There's even a dual tournament with a few champs who claim to be the best. Plus regular battles to keep that team spirit up. We visit cool places that our partners are proud of. We even have our own beer. And we love it.
I really made a great beer.
We even have a garden to grow our very own veggies. All this is just the beginning. New facilities, new faces, new opportunities, new horizons. All this toward one greater goal, to see better together with you.
We are Sportrx!